Okay, I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna try to make this video kind of short. So this summer I try to use this Ryobi 18-volt Dethatcher. The spring's kind of sheared. A few of them survive, like this one. If it focus, yeah. These are 2mm by 7mm by something. I forget the proper, but yeah, all 24 of them, yeah, 22 of them died. So this, I ordered a couple of springs to replace them. I ordered more. I wasn't sure, but in the description below I'll have a link to them. This one's a 60 degree. It's a 60 degree by, I forgot the outer diameter. 60 degree. I'll have it written down which one you're supposed to choose. But this spring perfectly fits inside. You could space them out, and that's how I pop them out, so I don't have to take them off the chassis. But you could these actually fit perfectly. Give me a second. These actually fit perfectly inside here, and the best part is that since this one's 2mm, this one's actually a bit more thicker by it's a 2.1mm. So yeah, it'll, and since this is just steel, this one's hardened steel, it should last slightly longer. But in order to get access to the entire chassis, you're gonna have to remove the front bolt of this part, that's right here. What I figured out is actually just smashed in there, so you don't really have to take out the bearing like I did, but if you have, like, say, if you have a big enough hole so the bearing could pass through, I would recommend not taking it out. If you drill, I used 1 inch. Use probably something bigger than a 1 inch, slightly bigger than anything bigger than a 1 inch, because that's how approximately how big the bearing is. If you make anything beyond that, you could actually, with the bearing still intact, you could actually, with this entire assembly, you actually flip it upside down, and then you use a hammer. I used a hammer and a rod that I had, fit it through in here, and just tapped it out with the hammer until it fell all the way through. And you could just use that to get access to them, but access to the springs. But yes, I'll have the ones you need to select in the description, so if your assembly ever does break these little guys, you can replace them for slightly stronger ones. I will be cutting these into a specific size, so it kind of resemble, I will be cutting it up to length so it could kind of resemble these springs, but these will be much more beefier and will not break that easily. So yes, I'll have it in the description.